Hello friends, I'm Sasha Sips, the HENDRICK'S Gin ambassador to the UK, and we are celebrating. Tonight marks everyone's favorite, the full moon, but it's also a super pink moon, and they don't come around very often. This moment calls for a HENDRICK'S Lunar Gin cocktail, a super pink moon sour. First up, let's make a simple sugar syrup. Add equal parts sugar and water to a saucepan over a gentle heat. Slowly warm until the sugar dissolves and set aside. Add fresh raspberries, fresh thyme leaves, and your cooled sugar syrup to a blender and give it a blitz. The full moon is, as you'd expect, the most supercharged moon, where the entire surface blazes in the night sky. This is a time when we are encouraged to celebrate ourselves, simply revel in how great we are. Next, get your shaker and add HENDRICK'S Lunar Gin, lemon juice, your pre-prepared raspberry thyme syrup, and egg white. Bright, bold, colorful moons call for bright, bold, colorful drinks, and HENDRICK'S Lunar Gin, which was conceived beneath the celestial light of the moon by our master distiller, Miss Leslie Gracie, makes this the ultimate tipple for a very special occasion. Quickly give it a dry shake. Now, add ice, then really shake it up to ensure your cocktail has a great froth and rich texture. Double strain into your Nick and Nora glass. And finally, garnish with raspberry dust and a sprig of fresh thyme to elevate those flavor notes within the cocktail. For sure, it is for fanciful conversations and other contemplative pleasures, but it is also so delicious with food. The sharp, punchy nature of sours means they can cut through delicious, fatty, crunchy foods like a knife through butter. And fried chicken is our weapon of choice, the perfect match. This one is so easy and so delicious. Give it a go, folks.